We're back at the Barking Frog and Willow's Lodge in Woodinville. Don't let the artistic presentation on the plate fool you. There's nothing intimidating here. At Barking Frog, every guest is welcomed with open arms and a nice glass of wine to match.
Fantastic food, local grown.
French, but with a Northwest flair.
I love all of it.
We obviously create some beautiful dishes and we play artfully on the plate, but it's very simple and elegant to me, and that's my style of cooking.
Executive Chef Lyle Kaku created his menu to reflect the peacefulness of the grounds. Just like the scenery, every bite should feel like a breath of fresh air.
Even though we're just 35 minutes away from Seattle, when you drive out here, it's peaceful. We're in the middle of the day and you can hear the owls or the birds chirping and the ducks quacking across the way. It's a getaway within a getaway, I guess. In the middle of wine country out here.
Yeah.
So, good wine, good food.
Right. We need to go get some wine.
Yeah, for sure.
What are we doing?
Let's go.
Now it's time to cook a special dish with Chef Lyle.
Everything looks gorgeous. Even the bees are joining us today.
Yeah, well, we're gonna start off with some duck legs here that we're gonna braise. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pair it with some beautiful vegetables that we have from the farm just down the road, literally like a mile away, called Equilibrium Farms.
Once the duck has started browning, we remove it and cook some onions, carrots, celery, and garlic cloves in the duck fat. Then we add in some aromatics like cinnamon, star anise, juniper berries, cloves, blackberries, and coriander seeds.
So here's our beautiful wine from our friends Paul Golitzin. They strictly do Cabernet Sauvignon, and this is a 100-point wine by multiple.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And there's something to be said by cooking with the wine you want to drink.
Yeah,
right?
for sure. Cooking with it and adding those flavors to give good depth to it, it's amazing.
We add some duck stock and veal stock, then add the duck legs back in.
Into their happy little bath.
Into their sauna they go.
We put our duck legs in the oven for an hour and a half. While that cooks, we work on our mushroom conserva. We cook some chanterelle mushrooms with olive oil and garlic, then add sherry vinegar and some extra olive oil. Next, we grill some fennel and some chard stems and saute the chard leaves.
Does it limp up like spinach?
Yeah.
Limp up? Limp down?
Cook down?
Is that wrong with me? Gonna limp it up.
Our final step is to make the sauce, starting with some Washington-grown black currants.
I think the richness of the duck pairs well with berries, fruits, apples. It's just a classical pairing.
Once our duck is done, we strain the juice into our berry sauce, and then there's one final touch before we plate.
What we're gonna do is finish with just a touch of butter. Butter just soaks everything out and makes this better.
Everything's better with butter. It's gorgeous.
And then we have some lovely Cedar Creek wine here that will pair extremely well.
It's so good. There's a lot of flavor going on.
There's a little tanginess in the wine, which goes well with the duck, I think, and then the chard.
It's just so good. I'm gonna dream about this, Chef.
Cheers.
To get this and other recipes adapted for the home chef, visit us at wagrown.com.